Students, today we are going to learn final accounts of non-profit organization, which is preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Look at the question. From the following receipts and payment account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2017. So our current year is 16-17. Our previous year is 15-16. Our subsequent year is 17-18. We are preparing accounts for 2016 and 17. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Receipts and payment account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2017. Debit side receipts are given. Two balance BD, opening cash and opening bank. Opening cash and opening bank will go to the opening balance sheet. Okay. Then two subscription received. It is a revenue receipt. It will go to the income side. Legacy is a capital receipt. It will go to the liability. Collection for dinner. It is a revenue receipt. Goes to the income side. Go to the credit side. Payment side. Buy furniture. Students, very important. Any fixed asset given in the payment side, we should assume that one as purchased. So here buy furniture. This is purchased. Purchased during the year. So any fixed asset given in the payment side, we should take it as asset purchased during the year. Okay. Buy sports material purchased, buy special dinner expenses, buy electricity charges, buy balance CD, closing cash and closing bank. Then additional information is also given. The club had furniture of rupees 12,000. Students, any fixed asset given in the adjustment, we should consider that one as opening balance of fixed asset. Okay. The club had furniture of rupees 12,000 on 1st April 2016. That is opening furniture. Ignore depreciation on furniture. Okay. Subscription outstanding for 2016 and 17 rupees 600. Stock of sports material 31st March 2017 rupees 100. Capital fund is given. Here capital fund is given, so we need not to prepare opening balance sheet. Okay. Now I am going to mark. First adjustment is the club had furniture. So we have adjustment for furniture. Then subscription outstanding. We have adjustment for subscription. Stock of sports material. We have adjustment for sports material. Then capital fund directly goes to the balance sheet liability side. We should write in the inner column. Yes. Now we are going to solve. We will start from the receipt side. Opening cash and opening bank goes to the opening balance sheet. It will not come to the income and expenditure and balance sheet. Then subscription. It is a revenue receipt. It is a revenue receipt recorded in the income side by subscription received. The value of subscription received 5,000. It has one adjustment. Subscription outstanding for the current year. 16-17 is the current year. Current year outstanding. What we have to do? Add subscription outstanding for 16-17, the value 600. Then the subscription outstanding of current year goes to the balance sheet asset side. Current year outstanding will appear in the asset side. Then legacy is a capital receipt. It will go to the liability side. Legacies. It's a liability, value 6,000 rupees. Then collection for special dinner is a revenue receipt. It will be recorded in the income side. Collection for special dinner. It is a revenue receipt. It will be recorded in the income side. Value 2,000. So receipt side over. Go to the payment side. So I said any fixed asset given in the payment side, we should assume that one as purchased. Fixed asset purchased. So furniture, it has opening balance plus purchased. Purchased value how much? 7,000. It has adjustment. The club had furniture in the beginning 12,000. So at the end they had furniture of rupees 19,000. Then sports material purchased. It has adjustment. To sports material consumed we have to find, because stocks are given. What is the formula? opening stock of sports material plus purchase of sports material minus closing stock of sports material. Sports material given in the payment side, it is a purchase. So sports material purchased 800. Opening stock and closing stock given in the adjustment. Stock of sports material on 31st March 2017, it is a closing stock of sports material. Opening stock is not given, put it as dash. So total 800 minus this 100 will get 700. Then the closing stock of sports material, recorded in the asset side. Opening stock of sports material and closing stock of sports material supposed to given in the adjustment. In this problem, opening stock is given, closing stock only given. So opening stock put it as nil, closing stock 100, deduct, write the remaining value in the expenditure side. The closing stock will be recorded in the asset side. Then special dinner expenses is a revenue expenses, it should be debited. It will be recorded in the expenditure side. Dinner expenses, special dinner expenses rupees 1500. Then electricity charges, it is also revenue expenditure, recorded in the expenditure side. Electricity charges, the value of electricity charges 900. Then furniture purchased, sports material, special dinner, electricity charges, everything taken. So closing cash and closing bank goes to the balance sheet asset side. So cash, closing bank. So closing cash 1800, closing bank 12,000. Then club ad furniture already recorded, subscription outstanding added with the subscription received and recorded in the asset side. Closing stock of sports material deducted from purchase of sports material and recorded in the asset side. Capital fund recorded in the liability side. Then we have to close income and expenditure account. Here income and expenditure account, debit side total 3100, credit side total 7600. So 7600 minus 3100, balance 4500. This we call it as surplus. Balancing figure. This we can say excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure called surplus. This surplus should be added with the capital fund. 27,500. If we add this two, we'll get 33,500 is our balance sheet total. Students, we solved the first problem in relation to final accounts of non-profit organization. Next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.